guys, welcome back. Dave here. Today I have another super easy tutorial you can do for Windows 10. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the Windows 10 settings so you can avoid those super annoying updates that won't even ask you nicely if you want to restart your PC. So let's get to it. So these are the updates I'm referring to. These ones right here, so we're all on the same page. So what you want to do is to go to your Windows Start menu and you can type here Windows Update Settings. That option right there, a new window will pop up right here. In here you want to go to that button option that says Advanced Options. And what you want to make sure is that the update notification must be on. That way, next time Windows requires to do an update, it will ask you first and you won't get any interruption in your current work. You can also pause the updates by selecting a specific date, and until that day, Windows won't ask you to do any updates. And you are all set. You can now go ahead and close this window. I told you it was going to be a super easy tutorial. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.